Hola everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It's very happy to see you again into another tutorial. Here in this video, I'd like to show you how to use the upper, lower and proper in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, we have the table that contains a lot or several names about these people, and as you can see the letter is not in the proper way because the capital letter and also the lowercase letter is not in the proper position. How to fix this? So here I will show you how. Well, actually for the if you would like to make this name of the people full of capital letter, then you can use this function or this formula. I will type the equal, and after that I will type upper and give it a double click, and it will show the open parentheses, and I will click or select the cell that contains the first list. It is on the cell of B2, and I will close it with the parentheses and enter. And I will go back to the cell of C2 and click this button or this section in the square on the bottom right corner here and give it a double click, and there you go. It will automatically show you the result to make this every single name of these people full in the capital letter. And how can we change the letter to become the lowercase letter? It's actually the same, but we will use the lower. Give it a double click. Click the cell of B2 and close it with a parenthesis, and there you go. All of this name will be written in the lowercase letter. And how can we make this every single name to become the proper mixture of the capital letter and lowercase letter? Here we will show you how. Kindly type equal and then type proper. Give it the double click until it opens the parentheses. Click the cell of B2 and close it with the parentheses and enter. There you go. This is the result of using the upper, lower, and proper. And I will give you the bonus, guys, because we can do this with another hack. So let's say I will delete this task, and let's say I will type manually this name, Rose. It's kind of giving the Microsoft Excel the pattern before we finish this text, and lower and the proper. The hack is you can just give it a combination with Control and E. One, two, three. One, Control and E. There you go. And we move the next section or the next cell. Control E. There you go. And the last one, Control E. So you can do it or practice it with your Microsoft Excel, and please let us know if this function or this trick also worked for you guys. So that's all from my video. If you would like to have another request or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. And don't forget to visit and also subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.